DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. So we got another big boss in the house, one with our full body 10-year paint protection film on the entire Rivian, because this is such a beautiful color and he wanted to make sure that the paint stays free of those nasty rock chips, swirl marks, fine lines, insect gut stains, you name it. Our paint protection film is going to absorb all the abuse. Check out the ceramic heat reduction window tint. Again, he went with everything. This is definitely protected with the absolute best. Our ceramic coating on top of the paint protection film gave it a nice, beautiful shine. It's going to be super easy to clean. He doesn't have to worry about waxing this because the ceramic coating takes the place of the waxing. And again, it's going to be so easy for him to keep this clean, as well as ceramic rim coating. So again, this is our big boss protection when you go with the full body 10-year paint protection film. Top that off with a ceramic coating, as well as our ceramic heat reduction window tint. You guys check that out. Gave this Rivian a nice sleek look. So again, when you want to learn more, just feel free to contact us here at DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. You guys know we love to show off our work. For you guys that don't know what a paint protection film is, it's an actual clear film that we place on top of the vehicle. But if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know, and that's the way it should be. We always like to make sure that everything is wrapped nice and clean. So again, DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont, 510-472-4181. Thanks for watching.